What is going on, guys? In this video, I am just going to be cleaning the engine bay on the BMW. I am in the process right now of doing the engine teardown video, but we have to wait for all the parts. My cam locker tool is supposed to be coming today. My oil pan gasket is supposed to be coming today. I just ordered a bung for the turbo pan so we can do the oil return line to that. And I ordered a rear main seal. I ordered I ordered the oil pan gasket last night. The valve cover gasket is supposed to be coming today. So while we're waiting on that, also I am going to be ordering ARP head studs. I know I said that I was going to go with the head bolts, but I just found out new information. There's a guy who is running a M52 TU, same as my engine, and he's running 18 pounds of boost on a stock unopened engine. So the engines can handle it, and I'm hoping to get like 500 wheel horsepower. I know Chelsea the Nova, I'm not really sure if he had an iron block or if he had an aluminum block, but I know he was, I think he had like upwards to like 900 horsepower to his or something like that. We're not going that crazy. I just want around 500 wheel horsepower, maybe 500 crank horsepower, so at 430 at the wheel or something like that, which is plenty enough for me. I mean, coming from a stock 170 at the crank. So today I am going to push the car back because my hose isn't long enough. I don't have a power washer anymore because it broke. But I'm going to try pushing the car back just a little bit over there, see if the garden hose can fit on there. I picked up some purple power. We're going to try that out. If not, I could probably go get some engine degreaser. But essentially, I'm not going to go too crazy on it. I just want to get a lot of this stuff out. I had to cut that power steering line hose because the quick connect for the power steering cooler was broke. Like, I couldn't get it off, so I just cut it off. That way we can replace it. I have to replace all the power steering lines anyways because they were all leaking, obviously. So yeah, let's get this started. I'm gonna probably spray all this down. Maybe I will wet it down first. I have to take these air conditioning lines out. With this, I'm not sure what I'm doing. We might be cutting a hole for the downpipe, but we will tackle that when we get there. So, yeah, so like all that's got to go and stuff like that. But at least we can start on the cleaning and try to get most of that nastiness. Look at that. Alright, guys, so I got a little bit of it. I mean, I didn't do anything crazy, but I'm actually going to run uptown and go grab some oven cleaner at the Dollar Tree, which is like literally the best shit to do. I'm going to grab a brush too because I have nothing to scrub with that I want to ruin right now. And then we can get rid of all that gunk. The foam is doing its thing. I think the next thing I'm going to have to do is probably take the car to the power washer, or power wash it at least somewhere, and get the rest of the remaining stuff out. But I'll show you some stuff. Well, this is the outcome. Obviously you have to get the power washer yet before the engine goes in, but at least the subframe is pretty much clean. This frame rail is clean. Yeah, looks pretty good actually. way better than it did. So obviously, like I said, we're gonna have to power wash all this, get all the hard to reach stuff that I couldn't get with the brush, or didn't really feel like getting with the brush. And yeah, so now we're gonna head. Actually, I'm gonna change because I'm disgusting. I'm gonna take a shower real quick, and then we're gonna head over to the shop. Maybe put some stuff away. Maybe check out the engine a little bit more. Maybe clean it. I don't know, but we'll figure out what we're gonna do. So here we are at the shop. All this shit's gonna get picked up. I'm gonna sweep all this up. I'm gonna get started into cleaning. Probably not gonna show you guys because I doubt you really care about cleaning the shop. So this can be the end of this video. I got it all cleaned up. Got that mess put in there. I'm gonna move this transmission over there beside the wall. Everything's pretty opened up actually right now. So I got all my garbage I gotta get rid of, but yeah, so now I'm going to start working on this video, which I'm not sure is going to come before this one or after this one, but well, let's just say after. So I'm going to be working on this video right here for right now. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like what I'm doing, then hit that subscribe button. Please smash that like button, and shop's turning into a shop.